Good evening, I'm C and I would like to show you how easy it is to install Tui, that is a line-based text user interface framework for scripts, on this virtual machine, which is a free BSD installation. As you see, I have prepared the internet connection as well as already installed Git and Bash completion, which also included meaning also installed Bash by itself. Bash is required to run tui commands as they are written in Bash. So you can use tui in scripts that are not written in Bash, but Bash is required to execute the tui commands. Either way, it's quite simple, as you can read on the wiki page. Great. Going here to tui wiki installation and simply type here, so git clone cloning it to a temporary directory from where I will install it. Oh, right. One should write GitHub too. Oh, I just left out the internet address. Great, so now it's retrieving the Git repository files, and when it's done, I'm changing to the temporary directory. And as you see here, we have a install .sh as well as an uninstall.sh. You can use these two files to install or vice versa uninstall the application. The uninstall script will be copied to where the configuration templates are. They are in /user/share/tui. You will find the uninstall script inside there. So being in this directory, we simply call the current directory's install script. So making sure you want to install. Also again, telling you where the files are. And you see it's quickly done, and you already see down here the appearance of the text user interface working right on. So that was it. We could show, I could show you a little example. Alright, so very simple, tui echo left hand, right hand. So you see we have the mouse goes under. We have the left hand on the left side and the right hand on the right side. We can also append a third string, which will appear in the center. So this is how you basically can show output to the screen. tui-printf does about the same. So just changing this one, tui-printf. So and same would go for the center. There's always the same alignment. However, tui-printf was, when called within a script, it reprints its own line. So to show this, I'm being able to also introduce tui-indi. BSD users will know this little animation thing. So just while true, do to tui-printf information text done, but inside here we just call tui-indie. Okay, being in the C shell here. Okay. Right, this should work. Then remove this. Okay, just let's change to bash. I know that shell kind of better. So while true, do tui printf information text and calling tui-indie and done. So you now see here the information text with a animated dash on the left side. There's also tui status. Now after pressing Ctrl C, right, it always returns the last code, so as long one, just weird. Experimenting here right on the way. Anyway, if a command executed successfully, you can call tui status last was successful. So we have here a done, and when we ask if this file exists, path doesn't do, and then call again, we get a failure message. So this could also be used for other status codes being numerical, so for the second, for example, or for number 2, I mean for 3, and so forth. So you can see all the possible screens here. Those variable names can be used inside these scripts to help, and no, to help direct instead of the numbers, so you don't have to recall the numbers all the time. So you can rather use a string named like the thing it represents. Now anyway, you can configure tui, which is kind of overdue. So yes, we want. Now acknowledge it's that slow because it's within a virtual machine that is quite slow. But as you might hear by pressing the buttons, I just press the button 1 and it goes back of the menu. I just press the button 4 and it goes inside the file of commands.conf and showing the available variables and giving me the option to choose among them. So this tool is actually the also for you available tui-conf editor, quite simple to configure. You can just call this one to any current file that contains any variables. So just for a moment, showing with some existing. So you see I'm calling now the tui-conf editor directly, and it's opening this file. You could pause any other file you would like. Now let's see, let's pause also a title. So my project config. So now when called, it could match into your project definition, so you can simply name them. And yeah, for more advanced help, please see man tui, or see the help files. Yeah, see the help output. So you can also change the theme for like dots red. Okay, since it doesn't work. It used to work at least for users, so let's this one lost. Oh, great. So, well, the user C doesn't exist in that case. This is done all about how to install Tui. Hope it helped you and also gave you a little bit of a preview what could be done. It's very simple, very basic task. Many ask me, what can you do with it? I can ask backwards, what can you do with a echo command? What can you do with select command? What can you do with printf? What can you do with what can you do with a simple echo command? It's all about printing information, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked it, and have a good evening. Bye.